Hello everyone, my name is Dilip. You are watching the Data Labs. In this video, we will learn how to create interactive checkbox. So here you can see that in demo worksheet, I have listed down some countries name like India, China, Bhutan, Nepal, and Indonesia to show the the interactive checkbox features. So here I have already selected the Bhutan. So once you deselect the Bhutan, then it will not get highlighted with the blue color. So once you click on China, then China will be highlighted. Once you click on Nepal, then Nepal will get highlighted. So it's very easy. Once you will provide, like if you will provide this type of interactive checkbox in your reports or dashboard for the selection of category and all the and other to show the report, then user will easily identify which selection has been done, and it will also enhance the beauty of your report. Okay, and to creating this type of interactive checkbox is very simple. So let's move to exercise worksheet, and here I have already listed down the same countries name like India, China, Bhutan, Nepal, Indonesia. So what we need to do, we need to insert checkbox from form control. So if you are not able to see the developer tab in your ribbon, then go to file, okay, and then option, and then customize ribbon. And in customize the ribbons, there are several tabs like main tabs available. So let's just click on check the against the developer, and once you check, then click on OK, and now you will be able to start seeing the developer tab in your ribbon. So just go to insert and then checkbox. So here we have ActiveX control checkbox as well, but here in this report we are in this video we are going to utilize this form control. So let's click on checkbox from form control and put it on against the India, right? So just okay, then right click on this and click on edit text. Just remove the text like checkbox text 6 or whatever the text available, and click outside. Now make it like a little bit smaller to adjust in the fit in the cell. Okay, so and let's create the several the copy of this checkbox. So just so we have already created 5 checkbox for each and every country. So after doing the alignment, proper alignment of this checkbox, let's assign the value. So there are two ways. Either you can click on control format control and link the cell with the any of the cell where values will get stored for check and uncheck. So this is the way, and the second way is just click on this and go to formula bar. Just click press enter, so equal to, and give the reference of any of the cells. So I am going to provide the B3 for India. So it will take absolute reference. Okay, again just select this one, the second available China, and click on B4. So now we have assigned we have linked all the checkbox with the field. So now you can see that here the text are not visible because I have provided the white color of fonts. So let's give black color for the timing. Now you are able to see that here we have selected India, China, and Bhutan and Indonesia. All the checkbox, like all the linked cells, are showing true, and the Nepal has not been selected, so it's showing false. Okay, so let's hide again, give the color as white. Now what we need to do, we need to provide the color on the selection. So let's select all these cells, right, and go to conditional formatting and you correct and use a formula. So just to give the reference of B3, and here you are like here it's providing absolute reference. So what we need to do, we need to fix the B column, but we need to keep row number relative. So just remove the dollar sign against the row number. Now click on format tab, format, and give the like select the color which you want. So I'm selecting blue color. That's okay. Okay. Now here you can see here like it's showing the color blue like background color, that is beautiful color on the selection. So once you deselect the color, then it starts showing the same white background color. So now you are like any of the user, or like whenever you provide this report to your audience, the audience will easily identify which selections have been done, and it as I already told you that it will enhance the beauty of report. Okay, so it's a very simple trick. I hope you will use this tips in your like report and dashboard. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.